The Kennedy by Backcountry Containers. Ever wondered what it would be like to live inside a shipping container? Well, the Kennedy by Backcountry Containers proves that small spaces can still feel luxurious. Imagine stepping into a 40-foot-long steel box, only to find a stunning, fully functional home waiting for you. Sounds crazy, right? But this Texas-based container home is anything but ordinary. For starters, it comes with a spacious bathroom. Yes, a full-sized one, not the cramped cubicles you might expect in tiny homes. The bedroom fits a queen-size bed, so no, you're not sacrificing comfort. And the kitchen? Oh, it's got butcher block countertops, soft close cabinets, and enough space to cook a real meal, not just instant noodles. The living area is open and airy, making the compact home feel much larger than it actually is. And get this, despite being made from a shipping container, the interior feels nothing like one. It's cozy, modern, and stylish, with high-quality finishes that would make you forget you're living inside something that once carried cargo across the ocean. Starting at around $75,000, the Kennedy is proof that container homes can be both affordable and high-end at the same time. Whether you're looking for a tiny home, vacation rental, or backyard guest house, this sleek, steel-turned cozy home is a game-changer. Who knew shipping containers could feel this fancy?